Hello everyone, and welcome to our video guide on how to create a professional website. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to create a website that showcases your brand with a polished and professional online presence. But first, let's understand what a professional website is and why it's essential. Let's get started. What is a professional website? A professional website is a well-designed and functional online platform that represents your business or brand in a credible and trustworthy manner. It reflects your professionalism, showcases your products or services, and provides valuable information to visitors. Now, why is it important? A professional website is essential because it serves as your online identity and the first point of contact for potential customers. A professional website enables you to reach a wider audience beyond geographical boundaries. Furthermore, a professional website enhances customer experience. Last but not least, a professional website allows you to track and measure your online presence. Now here are the steps for creating a professional website. Step 1. Planning and strategy. Before diving into website creation, it's essential to plan your website's purpose and target audience. Define your goals, outline your content, and create a solid strategy to guide your website development. Step 2. Design and layout. The design of your website plays a crucial role in establishing a professional look. Consider your brand identity and choose a clean, modern design that reflects your business. Create a wireframe or mock-up to plan the layout and structure of your website. Step 3. Development and content creation. Once you have your design, it's time to bring it to life. Develop your website using a user-friendly platform or hire a professional web developer. Focus on creating engaging and informative content that aligns with your brand and resonates with your target audience. Step 4. Mobile optimization. Optimizing your website for mobile devices is crucial in today's mobile-centric world. Ensure your website is responsive and adapts seamlessly to different screen sizes. Test your website across various devices to ensure a consistent and user-friendly experience. Step 5. SEO and Analytics. To attract visitors, optimize your website for search engines. Research relevant keywords and incorporate them into your content. Monitor your website's performance using analytics tools to gain insights into visitor behavior and make data-driven improvements. Step 6. Ongoing maintenance and updates. A professional website requires regular maintenance. Update your content, fix broken links, and ensure all features work correctly. Regularly check for security vulnerabilities and back up your website to protect your data. Congratulations! Following these steps, you can create a professional website that will captivate your audience and elevate your online presence. Remember, creating a professional website is an ongoing process, so continue to refine and improve your site to stay ahead. Thank you for watching our guide on how to create a professional website. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Best of luck with your website creation journey.